Have you ever tried sneezing with your eyes open? It's almost impossible. But why is that? When you sneeze, your body automatically closes your eyes. It's a reflex to protect your eyes from germs and tiny particles. So no, your eyes won't pop out if you sneeze with them open. It's just your body keeping you safe. Sneezing, a tiny explosion with built-in eye protection. Follow for more fun facts.